Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for, it's going to be a daily Anfield Road expansion update for now, until this corner section's done, and we'll just see what's what. So I'll go over to the corner bit first, over here where it's all being stored. I'll just let you know, people have said, can I look at this, can I look at that? I will look at this and that tomorrow, so Monday I'll be looking at that. Simple reason is it's the weekend. It's very busy for me every weekend. So when I put yesterday's video out, I come here early in the morning, done the video, went to work, that I can't tell you what I do, come home, had a little kip, then went back up working on taxi till about 3 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm back up at 7 o'clock over here to do this video. Then back into work for 9:30 for training today. And then I'll be back out working tonight on a taxi because it's Paddy's night. So it's just a little bit busy for me this weekend. Not every weekend's like this, just this one, which it would be. So yeah, so I'm gonna be knackered later. Anyway, someone said this looks like a massive red drone, which it does. So good spot, and it gave me a giggle. There's still quite a bit of terrace in there, what's not? I think quite a bit's been moved, hasn't it? Yeah. So we'll get over inside and have a look. Anyone of interest? No, just a fan by the looks of it. Keeping my eye out for Xabi Alonso. I'll get over to the stadium and have a look at the corner. Oh yeah, what I will mention is people that it seems I've got the scoreboard bit wrong. People don't think it's the scoreboard that I saw that time. They think it's the tops of signs. So we'll have a look at the top of the signs in a minute on the way back, but we'll have a look at the important thing first, which is the corner. That's how early it is, but guys. Right, there we go. So there's not much to go in, is there? If you look at that, it looks almost like over a quarter done already. That still looks like a wall to me, doesn't it? As I know it's not. I know it's steps, but I don't know, it's like an optical illusion that makes it look like it's got a sheer drop there. Oh, this is going to be done in no time, this. If they're working today. Let's have a little pan round. Let's stop there. He's got that well in there, haven't he? So there's some steps leading up to it. Just there. And that takes you up here. Just trying to see if there's anything I can notice that needs mentioning, but I can't. So yeah, it's just the concrete terracing gone in. Zoom out, get some aspect. Now, when I mentioned this cordon here, someone said it's to stop people going in so they can clean it, but it doesn't make any sense, that. Why is that the vomity cordons off as well? Why is there a little cordon on there? on the AL3. Was it perfectly in line with where the cladding needs putting in under there. No clues down here. You could be right, it could be cordoned off for cleaning, but I just don't see why they cordon that little bit off. You know, it doesn't make any sense. But, you know, a flimsy bit of tape in there. But, thanks for the comments. Right, the tops of these signs. Let's have a look. Flying like an amateur here. The shape. I can remember the shape of the thing that I saw. And it wasn't that shape. Honestly, it wasn't that shape. Unless there's something else I'm missing. It was rounded. I'll try and put a picture on now of a screenshot of the video, but it wasn't square like that. I'm sure it was rounded. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And it looked longer than that as well. It looked about 15 foot long. I can't get low enough to have a look at the one in the cop, the scoreboard on the cop. It looked like that. Only more heavy duty. The one in cop looks a bit thin, and that's what's got me thinking maybe it's not the scoreboard. But it wasn't that shape. Have a look at the one down here. Because they're not going to be stupid enough to have a different shape one, are they? It wasn't square. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and I do apologise, but I still think it's the scoreboard that was there. Hopefully I can get a screenshot of it on. Someone said about the benches going in here as well, but there's no benches going in here at all. Or did you mean benches somewhere else? There's something I've missed, isn't there? I'm trying to... What I did miss was the temporary tarmac being taken up outside the Shankly gates, which someone mentioned. Oh yeah, they started paving it there, yeah. That was a good spot, that, well done. Yeah, so there's the bricks for it to be paved. It's called block paving, innit? It's only a small section as well, so that'll be done in no time. There's just more pallets of bricks, is it? Crows are looking for worms. It's been a damp night tonight. Right guys, go and leave it there. Need to get to work. Anything else you want me to look at when I've got more time tomorrow, let me know, okay? I've got a list of things to look at now. I appreciate all the comments, even the ones that want to give me a bit of stick. It helps me. It helps me out. It wasn't really, you know, it's not abuse. Because I've been here for a while, I've slackened off a bit with me information. But it's fine. Right guys, go and leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. About the tops of the signs, maybe a scoreboard. And that cordon area, anyone else got any more ideas? I don't think it's cordon off for cleaning. It just doesn't make sense. But thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up as well. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.